So hello guys, this is my another video of Termux tutorial. In this video I will show how you can access any of the file from the storage drive without wasting your time. So let's go to the Termux terminal. So as usual I will run the update and upgrade command $&state and upgrade. In previous video you have seen that how we can access the storage drive means if you want to see in which directory you are in home directory, what are the lists are there, what are the drive are there, the storage drive. But for your case, if you didn't given access, then you have to give access first of that your Termux application. Then you can access all of the folders and files from the storage folder. So now here I can see my storage drive. Just go to the storage drive, cd, change directory, and this basic file management command. In previous video I have shown how we can manage our files using the change directory, list, pwd and lot of more things. If you didn't see, then from the description box you can get the videos, or from my channel you can get the videos. Change directory, storage, these words are case sensitive, so you have to write it down as it is. Now list it out. In the download section there have lot of songs are there. I downloaded before, downloads, enter. Now listed out. Here you can see the .mp3 files are all audio files. You can play using the Termux terminal. So I will show this cool tricks how you can run any mp3 file using the command line interface. So let's see. At first I will show one thing using the package list all. In previous video I also shown this command also. You can see these commands from my channel Termux tutorial playlist. So package list all, what are the packages are there which we can install for play the audio. If you scroll up little bit, in the P section, NMNOP, in this P section, if you see carefully, then there you can see PL. See this command, play audio. So I will zoom it out. See, play audio. So using this package you can run any mp3 file in your Termux terminal. So let's install this package install using the install command, play -audio, then enter. So after this install this package, you can run any of the mp3 file. .mp3 file you can only run. So now here for using the info command I want to check how we can run our mp3 files. Info, play. Before using any package you have to see where means how you can use, what are the comments you have to input, so and what are the cool things we can do with that package. So using the info you can get information about that package. So let's get the information. See, here it's showing. I hope you can see the play audio utility plays one or more files listed as arguments using the Android media system. The supported media formats may be vary across different devices and Android versions. The audio stream type which affects the volume may be specified as alarm media. This you can run also. The voice also you can run. So how you can run? See, here you can see play audio, $, play audio and the path. So you can give your path of the file of that file. Otherwise you can run inside the folder of that file. So otherwise you can run in where the file has been stored. You have to go in that folder where the file has been stored. You have to go in that folder, then you can run that file without entering any path. of that file. So how we can do? For go back to my previous page, I just pressed Ctrl+C. Now suppose, just delete it out. Suppose in this downloads folder my mp3 file is there. So if I want to run the 6.nefx whatever it is, so that file I want to copy the file name, means mp3 file name, then type play inside that folder where the file has been stored. Inside that folder I am running the play audio command. Play audio, then paste the file. Sorry, once again. Let me copy another time. You have to copy it with the exclamation mark. Paste here. Done. Now enter it. Here you can see. So this file is running.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare starring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'm being a superstar, just draw my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. I'm taking 6 shots, straight to the face. And I'ma get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, straight to the face. I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know where to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'm dead, I'm safe. I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
So I press the Ctrl+C for terminate the play audio. After I'm running the another file. Now let's run it and enjoy the song.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the face, yeah. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up in the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I believe shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't no place, I'll get my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, and losing fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live, or choose to dip. You choose to fight, or lose your grip, and lose a gift. Oh. Feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. Feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger, thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you sing along. Trust Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
See, when I run this command, so it's already terminated. The audio file has been done, so it automatically terminated. Now, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos of Termux tutorial. See you in next video.